On today's transcribed recipe adventure, we're going to take us some crab meat. We're going to get some wonton wrappers, and we're going to create a delicious little appetizer known as steamed crab wontons. Welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Hey, let's go ahead and get ourselves started on our steamed crab wontons right now. Let's go ahead and get started on our steamed crab wonton appetizer. We've got everything we need right here. We got a little bit of green onions. We got the white and a little bit of the green part. It's kind of minced up. Right here, we've got a teaspoon and a half of paprika. We got about in between a quarter and a half a teaspoon, maybe 3/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and about a teaspoon of salt right there. And then here, we've got 4 ounces of cream cheese and a couple of tablespoons of sour cream. And we got a lemon. We can use the zest of that and some of the juice. And of course, right here, we've got ourselves some wonton wrappers. Now, you know, while you're getting everything pulled together, take your wonton wrappers. Get a little paper towel here that's just damp and cover those up so they don't dry out. And then we're going to keep that right here and just kind of keep it out of mind. So anyway, let's go ahead and get our filling started. Oh yeah, and right over here, I forgot about it, we got some water right there and a little pastry brush. That's gonna help seal our wontons together. Then we got some soy sauce and some pineapple juice, and we're gonna use a little bit of the lemon juice to go along with that for a little dipping sauce. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and get rolling. I'm gonna come in with our cream cheese and our sour cream, just like that. Now we're going to cream all of that together, just like so. And your cream cheese, make sure it's at room temperature. It makes it a little easier to you know, give it that little cream and smooth texture, just like this. Heck yeah. All right, you know what I'm doing here is I'm kind of pushing that cream cheese up against the bowl here, and kind of push that together and get that sour cream and that cream cheese combined well. And then I'm going to scrape the sides down like this, and now we're going to come in with our spices, just like so. And then we're going to come in with our diced up or thinly sliced green onions. And we do have about 4 ounces of lump crab meat that I still got in the fridge that we're going to pull out of here in a second. And I forgot to mention that when we were introducing the ingredients, but that will be coming out in a minute. Now I'm going to get this all nice and combined, and man, that smells delicious. So here we go. All right, I tell you what, that is pretty daggone well combined, but I just saw some dry on that side. So we'll just kind of sort of get that off the spatula, and then we'll come down and combine it right there. Now we're going to come in with our lemon, and I'm going to take about half of the zest, or maybe the whole thing. I don't know. Probably usually start out with half. Depends on how you like the citrus flavor. I love it. I think it goes so well with you know, heck, about any kind of seafood out there. So we're going to come in. We're going to add that in there, just like so. Heck yeah. So we'll just kind of sort of grab a little bit, since I like a little more of the citrus flavor than probably most, maybe. I don't know. Who knows? So there we go. I think I'm done with this. We will put you over here. Come over here. Voila. And we're going to probably dump maybe 4 teaspoons of lemon juice in there, or maybe a half a lemon, something like that. And we'll keep you for that in a sec. Off that goes. Okay, making a little bit of noise, move you out the way. And now we're going to combine the lemon juice and the zest with our sour cream cheese mixture right here. Our cream cheese sour cream mixture. There it is. So it's going to be, yeah, it's a little loose right there. So but I tell you what, that looks good and smells delicious. Oh, heck yeah, man, that is looking good. And by the magic of editing, here comes our crab meat from the fridge right here on our work table, our island, and that is some nice white lump crab meat. We're going to come in, we're going to add that straight in, just like so. Get all that out of there. Trying to escape. No, you're not. So there we go. Now I'm going to come in and we're going to fold our crab meat right in there, just like so. Oh, man. Heck yeah, this is going to be so good. I think y'all will definitely enjoy this little recipe. Oh, heck yeah, I think we are well combined. I'll tell you what I'm going to take. I'm going to move this over here. Let's see. I'll put you right here. I'll move Mr. Tablespoon out of the way. We're going to need you. We're going to grab our wontons now. And over here, you probably see some little smoke going. We got some water boiling so we can steam our wontons. And we're going to be using one of these little bamboo steamers, and I've kind of equipped it with some a little bit of parchment paper. It kind of keeps the wontons from sticking while they're steaming. You can also use a little bit of spray oil on there, and if you don't have a bamboo, you can just steam them, regular in like a little small basket. But anyway, we're probably going to struggle to get this thing together. But anyway, we'll deal with that in a minute, because when you use it, it kind of it gets damp, and then it's hot, and then it just kind of sort of dries the way it wants to, and I'm sure we'll be struggling along with that. But let's go ahead and begin to construct our wontons. So I'm going to grab one of our little sheets of wontons. You can get these at the grocery store. It's not like I made that. Anyway, so we're going to come in here with a nice little healthy tablespoon of our filling, just like that. And then we've got our water right here. This is what's going to kind of glue everything together. You can use an egg white, kind of lightly beaten, or maybe some milk. But right here, we're going to come in after we've got our filling in there, and we're just going to brush the four corners of our wrapper, just like so. Now I'm going to come in. This way gets a little, get a little creative if you want with this. But I'm going to come in. I'm going to grab these two edges and then pull it together, kind of like that. And then you just kind of pinch that top together, and that the water is going to kind of glue it. Then we'll come in here like so, kind of hold that, and then we're going to pinch these edges and make kind of almost like a little pillow of goodness that we're going to munch on here in a quick sec. Then we'll come back this way and get this side. I think I had almost a little too much of the filling. Then again, we're going to come in here like so, and then pinch those edges. Heck yeah, just like that. How about that? How about, I see you. Yes, sirree, man, that is going to be some good stuff. Now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab one of my bamboo steamer tops. Put this here, and you know what? I'm going to leave you right there. And I'm probably going to put about four wontons per the little trays. So we got a little bit of work to continue. So let's go ahead and keep on moving. All right, here is our last one. I thought we had 8, but looks like we only have 7. So let's go ahead. Man, that one might be a little tight. That looks like a bunch of good right there, man. Heck yeah. So we'll see how this one turns out. All right, so again, the edges, I'm gonna bring those in. Whoop, almost, just like that. Pinch, probably push you in there a little bit more, bring that up, and then we're just going to pinch these edges till it closes. Heck yeah, just like that. Bring it, turn you around. Yeah, heck yeah, check that out. Yum, yum. And again, we're just going to pinch these edges down just like so, and then yum, just like that. So Here we go. Now, okay, that was 7. You could probably get, let me see here, what do you got? Maybe 16 to 20 out of this, maybe 24 of these little guys right here. This could probably serve 2 people. This is going to serve me. I can promise you that here in a few minutes. Yo, you trying to separate? Heck yeah. Now, I am going to come in and I'm just going to give a little sprinkle on top, like so. Hit it with a little bit of Himalayan salt. Now, that's just for me. Y'all may not want to try that, but anyway, so let's see here. How are we going to do this? I know this thing goes together, so we're going to try to push it down like so. Okay, just like that. It didn't go 100% together, but that's okay. The steam will come up through the middle. Well, I think it will. Like I said, this thing can be a little bit of a pain in the you-know-what. There it is. Got it. Okay. Because, you know, the expansion and the heat and the steam and all that kind of, if this isn't set perfectly, will kind of stay at the form that it was. Now I'm going to turn this back up to a rolling boil. We can come in here with this little guy. We're going to position it right on top. So be careful. I don't think they make pots that those things fit perfectly in. So we're going to kind of sort of stay right there. And I tell you what, we're going to about 6 to 8 minutes. It'll be time to try our steamed crab wontons. Oh yeah. Tell you what, we got about 3 or 4 minutes left to go in the steaming. Let's go ahead and get started with our little very simple dipping sauce. We've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We've got a tablespoon right here of pineapple juice. And then we're going to come in here with a couple of teaspoons or so of lemon juice. And voila, that's it. Simple and easy. Now, if it's a little too salty for you, you can add a little bit of water to that. But I tell you what, man, heck no, man. That's, for me, it's perfect. I'm a saltaholic anyway, along with a citrus-holic. A little bit of a taste. Oh, heck yeah. That's perfect. Get that seed out of there. Now I'm going to come over. Let's see, I wonder if I'm going to make a mess. But anyway, we're going to come in here. We're going to add this just to a little bit of a container right there. We'll be using that for plating in a minute. Hey, tell you what, about 2 minutes we'll be ready to eat. It's been about 6 minutes. I've taken the little steamer off the water over there, turned that off, and we're ready to unveil our crab wontons. How are we going to do this? Let's see. Oh my, check that out. Yum, yum, yum. Heck yeah. Voila, there's that one. And then we'll come in here and da-da-da-da-da. There it is. Oh, that one broke up. That's okay. Still be good. Still be good. Actually, it looks like I did. A couple of them kind of got away from me. Yes. But, oh, yeah, they're very sticky. So I tell you what, I'm going to let those rest for a quick second. And let's figure out what we're going to do presentation-wise. Got a nice little flat dish here. And I've got a little bit of a teriyaki reduction going on here. So and just, I don't know, come in here and just make a mess right on the plate. Why not? Just like so. Tell you what, we'll come over with this guy. Man, heck yeah, that looks pretty good right there. Now, how are we going to get these out of here? Not quite sure because they're still a little warm, but let's see. Here we go. So I went ahead and grabbed that parchment paper, which kind of also makes it kind of a neat little, what do you call it, like a little transfer plate from the steamer to a flat surface. And now we're going to come in here and we're going to try, how are we going to do this? I don't know, because they're a little sticky. What are we going to do here? Just like that. There we go. Perfecto. Oh, man, that's going to be good. Now, be careful. Don't just snatch them up because they, you know, these wonton wrappers do get a little sticky. Let's see. What about this guy over here? Tell you what, he looks pretty good. I'm going to do that like that. And this, grab him. Try not to get burned. Voila. Just like so. Boom. All right, let's see. We're going to grab one more. Just like so. How's that? Got a knife. Kind of squeeze that back together. Just like so. Tell you what, that is going to be, as you can see how they are kind of sticky. Put that back over here. But there you go, man. Check that thing out. That would be a nice little starter right there for you. Let's come in here Got some of the green parts of the green onions kind of diced up. Come in here and we're going to add a little bit of those to the plate. Add a little color to it. You know what the heck, why not? Now we'll come over here and we will, let's see, we're going to grab a little bit of lemon zest and drop that on there. Heck yeah. Just like so. Yep. And then we'll come in and we'll just drop a little bit of, again, a little bit of lemon juice right on top of that. Man, that looks good. I tell you what, it smells delicious. Heck yeah, you know what? Get this guy out of the way. Move you out of the way. Make a little bit more noise, but there you go, man. How about that, y'all? There are, oh yeah, little chopsticks to go along with it. Heck yeah, man. Right there. Wow. Unbelievable. I promise you, I think y'all are going to really like these, but rare, they're steamed crab wontons with a little bit of a citrus soy dipping sauce. Heck yeah, man. Check that out. Oh, man, you know what time it is. You know what time it's for. It's time for a little bit of a taste test. Heck yeah, I tell you what, we're going to come in here. Which one? I want to make sure they're not too hot because I've done that before and you go, oh my Lord. Anyway, let's come in here. We're going to grab our little guy. Heck yeah, some of that. Dip him in there. And let's see what happens. Heck yeah. Wow. Man, that crab and that citrus with the cream cheese and the sour cream, all those spices come together. That cayenne gives it a nice little pop. Man, are you kidding me? That is delicious. Hey, for the recipe, check out the description below. It gets you right over to gourmetfishing.com. Hey, right down here, how about try the crab imperial? We got crab here, crab there. Hey, right here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. It does help. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.